Yeah, so after routing everything in, the sensors, which are having the rear bumper, all the harnesses, are these harnesses for the speakers, I did the sensors up in front. After everything is done, cleaned up once again, it's time that I put the carpet in. After the carpet, I think I will put the side panel, the plastic side panel, and then step by step, one by one, assemble everything I need to assemble. So check out the routing I made. I'm pretty fine with the routing. And yeah, follow me for more. Meanwhile, I forgot to mention that I changed the driver's seat belt. Mine was absolutely broken like a shit. And for your information, you can fit most of the seat belts from those years and also till the early 2000s. The one I use is from a Golf 4 and it fitted like a charm. I needed to do some very fine adjustment in a certain area where the module is fixed in the tower. But yeah, basically that's fine. I have some difficulties with the rear ones because you know that the seatbelts are gravitational. They always needs to be perpendicular to the ground to be able to open it. And then the rear ones, the design they are a certain angle. And it's very hard by hand to move them to that certain angle. But I'm sure I will find a way later on. Not an issue, not an emergency for now. After I put the carpet, I moved down preparing the trunk where I prepared some new panels. The front over here, one over here, and this side I made one which is removable for user cleaning. Check it out. Staying like this. Yeah, good. So then I'll just put the down screw. Pretty fast. Put the upper screw, which is a special one with a ball-like system on it. You know this one. Anyhow, pretty smart design over here. Put this one up here. And then the third one over here. But the third one will need to be demounted and mounted again after I will put the plastics around here, you know. Yeah, so the one over there I will not screw it too much because I still need to do the covers.
Bombonele de pictat.
Ia să văd.
Uite. Ăsta, în loc de pictat pe unghii, este praf. Iar asta, în loc de inel adevărat, e inel bomboană. În asta, în loc de brățară adevărată, e brățară bomboană. Iar ăsta, de ori, are bombonele. Iar ăsta, rujul, este spray. O să duci și tu la jocul supereroi!
Yeah, so here we are finally with all the cluster back together. Ignore this, ignore that this one is out, but it's the first crank, and I'm super excited to see if it's working or not. Oh, I need to plug the battery. So let's see. Ready? Out of gear. It's like 5 months since I didn't start it, and I might not have gasoline inside, but I'm interested only to hear that it's cranking and all the functions are running. Yeah, it's cranking. Let's say there is no gasoline inside. There we go. We are stopping it because there is no water inside. It somehow went away when the car was on the side. But anyhow, that's a great achievement. Good 2 minutes have passed. And now let's see. Yeah, tough one. It's pretty sticky. Immediately and instantly. Great, this is great to be honest. Good, I like it. Like a fucking charm. afterwards. I know that you'll give me a bit of troubles, but yeah, I don't have the speakers now. I'm impatient to put it back, so that's it. It might prove out to be a stupid decision, but I won't hesitate. Yeah, it's pretty nice over here. Pretty easy, straightforward. Good. Get some papers here, right on the main unit, of course, you can by the within, some main positions, yeah.